What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. We've got a lot of exciting stuff to talk about today. We're going to be mainly talking about Ken Griffin and AMC stock. I know you guys love my Ken Griffin videos. After all, that's probably why you're here. And we are going to get started right away, but before we do, I just ask that you go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many people just like you as possible, as many apes as possible. And also, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I drop videos just like this one every single day. So what I find funny is that Griffin recently released a statement to media. I'm going to read it for you guys right now. He says, "It must frustrate the conspiracy theorists to no end that Vlad and I have never texted, called, or met each other. But I must say kudos to Vlad and his team at Robinhood for their remarkable success story." Now, the first thing I'm going to say is this, okay? If we're talking about Vlad's success story, there can be no Vlad success story without Ken Griffin, because you see, the two are, in fact, in cahoots. And the reason that Robinhood does have such a successful success story is because of Ken Griffin, because of the PFOF. And in case you're wondering what PFOF stands for, well, that's payment for order flow. Now, we know that most of Robinhood's revenue comes from payment for order flow, so it does come from Citadel Securities and Virtue, I believe, which means Ken Griffin is a big contributor to Robinhood's, well, revenue and success story. So that's why I found that funny. But what I find even funnier is that, you know, Ken Griffin lied. Hold up, let me say that again. Hashtag Ken Griffin lied. Yes, it's all over social media, all over Twitter, and all of a sudden it changes to just Ken Griffin. Hashtag Ken Griffin. Now, who in the hell changed that? Was it you? Did you remove the lie from the Ken Griffin? Because I know that I didn't. So please tell me, is this in any way related to the few million shares of Twitter that Ken Griffin, or I'm sorry, Citadel holds? Is it related to that in any manner? Could Ken Griffin possibly have contacted Twitter and said, "Hey man, remove the lie from my name and just make it hashtag Ken Griffin"? How the hell does that even work? Who knows? All I know is that it doesn't seem fair that our tags do not appear as we have posted them. Now, I'm sure that you guys are familiar with the story, especially if you've been following my channel, because I've reported so many different things on Ken Griffin and all the different lies, all the stuff that he's been involved in. I love reporting on Ken Griffin, and I am sure that you already know that if you're following his channel. And if you don't, make sure you do so that you are familiar with the things that Ken Griffin has been doing. But long story short, so Ken Griffin lied to Congress. He denied any contact with Robinhood, or at least in any manner related to the entire GameStop event. You know, all that GameStop stuff that was going on last January. Well, apparently now some retail investors are coming in and busting his chops, if you know what I mean. And now the truth is coming to light, and the SEC will have to do something about it. So this is wonderful news. I mean, could he possibly do some Fed time over this? Well, we'll just have to stick around and find out. In the meantime, feel free to check out my video, which is entitled Ken Griffin May Do Fed Time. And make sure you check out my series on Ken Griffin because there's a lot of videos, very informative. There's even some of the testimony at the congressional hearing, and it's got Vlad and Kenny both on there, lying their ass off, lying through their teeth. I'm sure you're going to want to see it. But now that that's out of the way, I guess we can wrap up the video by talking about AMC stock itself. I'm going to make this very quick. So today we're sitting at 35.09 right now in the after hours. And what in the hell does that mean? Well, it means that if you've got paper hands or hands made out of toilet paper, you can sell your position and, you know, kiss it goodbye and miss the MOASS if it were to happen. But if you want to continue holding like the rest of the apes, the real ape army, if you want to be part of something, a group that punishes those that need to be punished, like Ken Griffin and Vlad Tenev, then keep holding your shares. Now, this may not be very pretty anytime soon for us apes, but it's going to be like this for other stocks as well. It's not just AMC. You see, what's going on is that we're kind of seeing a rotation right now due to some other things that are going on in the broader market. This is what you have to have a stomach for. You have to be able to put up with this kind of crap in order to be rewarded and be in the promised land later on. However, if you do not have hands made out of diamonds, or them diamond hands or banana hands, then this may not be for you. But that's the only advice that I can give you, because I'm not really a financial advisor now, am I? And I'm certainly not your financial advisor, but I can tell you that, you know, good things come to those who wait. Wait patiently. But that's all I have for you today. Make sure you hit don't hit it, smash that like button if you haven't done so already, because it greatly helps out this channel and it will get this video out to more apes just like you. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, you can check out your YouTube recommendations for my channel right now.